Okay, we're looking at problem 17 from page 335 from section 5-8. It says, for each set of data, compare two models and determine which one best fits the data. Which model seems more likely to represent each set of data over time? So, I know that a lot of you all are having trouble with the calculator, so I found something called Wolfram Alpha Widgets. So, if you want to just Google it, it's Wolfram, not Wolfman, but Wolfram Alpha Widgets, and it's a regression calculator. And I can choose to test, like they said, different ones over time. Different ones. I can do quadratic, I can do cubic, I can do exponential, logarithm, and trigonometric. So let's put the data in. So I'm going to take this data. So we'll have 1972 with 1.96, 1982 with 1.73, and so on and so forth. So there's my data. As you can see, 1972 with 1.96, 1982 with 1.73, and so on and so forth. And I'm not going to test linear, but I will. Let's do quadratic. Let's see what quadratic comes up with. Now, it doesn't tell me which ones to test, so I get to choose which ones I want to test. And so I did quadratic, and it gives me an equation that would best fit that for quadratic. And it gives me r squared also, which is pretty close to 1. We can take the same data. Let's test cubic. I hit submit. So there's lots of free online calculators that you can search. I just put in a Google search for this, so I don't have to actually put it in an actual graphing calculator, but this is a regression calculator. And I'm sure you can find some that do all different types. But here's one that, and this is the equation for cubic, and r squared is 1, so that fits it almost perfectly. And I hope that this video helps.